thanks to Buddha, thanks to the women's cell of this university, and thanks to our registrar's office that today we are assembled here. We have to be, otherwise nobody will raise our voice. This is not a woman raising the voice. This is a mother, this is a sister, this is what daughter raising the voice, because we need a safe society, and the Boroland University needs a safe society. Please, come take.
Against the incident that took place on 9th of August, which was not supposed to be in a human society, at least. We the women, we the people who are having the thinking power, judging power, everything that which was supposed to be, we are having, and we are not supposed to do that one. So I am very much a part of this rally. I am also against the incident that took place, and I pray to the God on behalf of that lady doctor who was raped and killed by some of the miscreants, so to say miscreants. Normal people cannot do like that, and those people who committed that type of crime, they are not in a normal condition. They were not in a normal condition. They are something like a madman. And we should carry out this type of candle rally just to stop this type of incident, so that it may not be repeated in the coming days. So I hope everyone will understand it. And we are also having our own daughters, but we should be very much careful about that, so that this type of incident should not be repeated in the days to come. We will take out this rally and cooperate with the organizers, and we can make it a successful one, so that the message will go to the people that we are also against the incident, whatever that took place on that day. So with these few words, I don't want to prolong my speech. I'm concluding here my speech. Thank you very much.
Before inviting the General Secretary, who is the representative of the students of
for me, so each and everyone should raise voice, and everyone should think about women, not only women, all the people. Thank you all. Next, our
Respected Dean of Languages, Professor P.K. Dean of Management Studies, couple members, and my dear student friends, and all the to make it rally against the incident that took place on, which was not supposed to be, having the thinking power, judging power, everything that which was supposed to be. We are having very much a part of this rally. I am also against the.